You got, I almost said you got fingered at the back of the
I
movie.
wish I would have got fingers back in his head.
Why?
Who got fingers?
I told him to do that.
So who to do what?
I think I told her.
Why are secrets coming out now? You saw Sarah in the
Yes.
What did he say?
Baby, he's saying she was scared.
I'm not letting nobody stick their finger.
It's gonna hurt.
Nails me back there. No,
He
that's
didn't
gonna
clip
hurt.
him before.
No, I'm not letting you stick your fingers up there. You're gonna cut my coochie.
He's supposed
Hey, it's your boy AJ back with another freaking video. Today, I'm with my friends on Elbow and we doing a mukbang. Everybody introduce yourself. Starting with my favorite.
I'm the favorite. I'm his best friend. I'm Montavious. If y'all make scene.
No, I just got here today. My name's Wakaya.
Hi, I'm Monique.
Girl, you didn't have to introduce me.
Girl, let me say my name now.
Oh, we doing a mukbang. I don't know what we talking about. We ain't got no type of topics. Most likely it's gonna be smacking because that's all it's gonna be you, man.
Period. This is mango habanero. Oh, you have to show your food.
Maybe I'm not showing my food there.
Just some more bad.
Yeah, what you want ranch for with some lemon peppers, chicken.
Talk to my fries in the You know talk about my pregnancy craving. Can somebody tell
There you
her
go.
Chanel?
Baby, nobody said we were eating this stuff.
I'm pretty sure they can see the bag.
Girl, I'm just letting folks know.
We eat. No, it never gave tell what we eat, girl. It never gave motherfucking sponsor this video.
Oh, fucking what?
Sorry.
Jalen,
It wasn't me.
wait a minute. Wait. Let me make some establishment. Wait till the adults are out the house. I already know you cuss. All y'all. But wait till the adults are out the house. Mouth is
Jalen, I'm
closed.
here not talking. You curse out to every word.
No, fu-
See?
Alright, y'all. We talking about sex. Ow! Today, we talking about sex. It's a mukbang about sex or whatever. So, I'm going to ask everybody in the audience, is everybody who has popped their pussy before?
I don't have a pussy, but I popped this bitch.
Girl, five, the little shit you do have. Alright, so us three over here on our versions. Okay, so I'm asking y'all three. So do y'all have sex on the regular?
No, ma'am.
Nah, I crave it on the regular.
No, ma'am.
Bitch, this not regular, this abnormal. Just give it every 3 minutes.
I crave sex
Everything
on the
we
normal,
need.
but
Because
I have
that would
respect
be
for my body.
open. That would be very much open.
I can never give my
You ain't nothing. I'm gonna beat your ass. I don't be having sex on the regular, but I feel like when I do be having sex, I fuck back to back for like a week and I be gone. Stop having sex for like a month and a half.
You know, I have sex.
Make sure you're not quiet, because you know you've been whispering. I hate to say that.
Fuck! I don't. Telling you.
You gotta tell him. We got, okay, Virgin Mary over here.
I'm sorry.
That's not funny.
That was funny. He
So
said
tell us
first-
about you and your hickey.
That's what you want to know. It was at the movies. Story
Girl,
time.
how did you feel about it?
Story time. Girl, very much lit. Real waterfalls.
So that's how I pay for a movie that y'all didn't watch, looking at each other's necks and shit.
I want you to photograph. I'm a virgin.
You my favorite for real? Oh shit, the payment don't go
Not
down that
for
much.
girls, she not.
Dang, okay, Monique.
Girl, I'm just letting you know. he
Okay,
is-
Monique.
$20.
Maybe he knows.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she do.
So I did talk to Frank.
Anyways,
Like
gotta
what?
pop out.
And
You was up in what's her name?
Okay, Monique.
Maybe I'm gonna need you to step in the camera view and tell your story.
I'm just glad
I'm
Robin
not
is taking that
telling that
payment
story.
over.
That is confidential.
I'm glad Robin's taking that payment over.
This better be good.
Because if you don't dip it in that
Man,
ranch,
I can barely dip because of these nails. Don't you got a fork?
that's what I'm saying. Look at
Zoom in on these nails. Show the camera your nails.
Look at what she
We
dipped
don't
it
have
on.
bills like
I don't
we
have no
don't
fork.
like
She did that with it.
like
Shut up.
the Corona
I don't have no fork.
Show the
You
camera
should
your
have a
nails.
fork.
Damn.
I'm you know,
How everybody feel about this story?
like I told him, I said,
It's industry.
you know, we
I knew y'all talk
shouldn't
super
be
loud because we got somebody else.
the one that just, you know,
Y'all
like,
think it's fake?
even
It's fake.
even though,
But I don't think it's fake. I just think it's not as serious as they say.
you know,
Like, I feel like anytime somebody dies, you just automatically.
You know, we wanted to make sure you get straight. You also went along.
All I know is it
with
made me
you,
graduate
there was a
early, period.
responsibility that came.
That's
with
if you
it.
can graduate.
But I'm
You
not
know,
no stay
and
you
it's different. So y'all just gotta deal with it. You know, like I told him, you finna be somebody daddy soon. You can't be thinking, acting like that.
We just pop.
You can't be acting like that. Cause you gonna need some.
Other performers dance to that T.I. song. Who danced to T.I.? Girl, we had to change it from Ride It Out on Megan Thee Girl, they can't let us do that.
Who changed?
Mr. Logan, he was like, since all the teachers and stuff gonna be there, I don't think it's appropriate for you guys to dance to Ride It Out, but we was already dancing to the clean version. I'm like,
How much that
okay.
real gonna be? Cause I need that like, ooh.
If you listen to the things, your brother saying that.
But you know how teachers said rise is. Yes, I said rise, and I'm not, don't.
Now we need to stop projecting our voice. We gotta get loud. We never got ASMR. My back hurts.
What kind of ones did you get? Girl, I got mango habanero.
Yeah, why are you looking like this?
Why you won't wanna upgrade your phone?
Mom.
It's giving very much from YouTube video. It's into a documentary.
Mama.
What? Why you don't wanna upgrade your phone?
I don't like any phone above 8. Mom, you can't, like, when they recording, the camera picks up everything.
What's your point? I can't talk?
I didn't say.
Okay, so what's your point? What I do?
No, I'm thinking about something in my head. What type of fries you got? You
What?
making very much regular.
They didn't give me a large, they gave me a large.
They told us it's gonna be like $90 or something.
Okay, back to 6. So you got, I almost said you got fingered at the back of the
I wish I
music.
would have got fingers back in his head.
Why?
Who got fingers?
I told him to do that.
So who to do what?
I told him.
Why are secrets coming out now? You saw Karen up in love. What
Yes.
did he say?
Baby, you saying she was scared.
I'm not letting nobody stick their finger.
His
It's gonna
nails-
hurt.
Nails be back there.
No,
He
that's
didn't
gonna
clip
hurt.
them before.
No, I'm not letting you stick your fingers up there. You're gonna cut my coochie.
He's supposed to be prepared for that. Blur his name out when you get the.
Baby, I'm pregnant. I might remember, I might not.
You're not pregnant.
Yeah, but y'all gonna tell me. Bitch, I be to my OBGYN every other week. Shit.
You're not pregnant.
Look what I am.
Wait,
She's out just like tomorrow.
Just because you wasn't invited to the pregnancy reveal, bitch, you wasn't invited.
baby, you didn't. Excuse me, you had a pregnancy reveal. You didn't like me. Yes, go quiet
How many
now.
weave you have?
Well, I had some chicken wings for later.
Oh my god.
Girl, this fat. This kind of nasty.
Well, let me taste it.
What you tasting? What kind is it?
That.
Girl, what kind is what? What kind is it? Bro,
I'm
what
gonna
you
rip my
like?
pants trying to get to the motherfucking wing off.
I'm just shit. That one kind of, that's,
They look kind of ugly.
I don't
Why
like
they so
it.
disappointed?
Why it look like it?
It's kind of funny.
I don't like it.
Get down.
So what do I do with the footage of her mama talking in the background? Do I keep it?
Edit it out.
At this point, you gotta edit like 12 minutes of video.
Not a 2-minute video, Jesus.
Anyways, my sex experience was
We're not talking about that no more. We was talking about sex.
it's hard.
Good luck with that. We're gonna get to you. We're gonna get to you and your pussy popping.
Right.
Every time. Every single time. What do you mean every
The
single
first time I had
Every single
sex,
time.
it was wet. He didn't know what he was doing. Like, that was my first time
Big
bothering.
friend, why do you tell this story every time the camera
Cause he didn't know what he was doing. He thought he was doing
It's the
something.
third time you saw
Then
the story.
whispering in my ear and shit. I was finna
What was
laugh
he
at him.
whispering?
What was he
Somebody
doing?
said, what's my name? What you finna call me? Boy, I said, Well, in his name, I said,
What? Real?
yes, he got to know some. No,
Bro, why are you on my phone?
I had the friend I want to call that boy daddy.
I'm waiting on my. I'm playing.
Not the war, Jesus.
Y'all ain't check him. It look like you was meant to do it anyway.
Anyways, finish telling me your story, Mercedes.
Second time I had sex, nobody knew about it. It was on Valentine's Day.
Wait,
I
have you told me about this?
What? Why is just not getting told?
Bye, cause you ain't finna tell YouTube and us at
That's
the
what I'm
same
saying.
time.
Why is just not getting told?
And never gave world premiere, bitch.
Period.
We're gonna skip that time.
Don't wink.
The third time I had sex, it was with my actual boyfriend.
Who you made me come with him?
Baby, he was with him.
And I didn't know they were doing the macaroni and cheese then. I thought they were just gonna keep watching Terrell, bitch.
But how you gonna say it was whack? You talking about some we was too loud.
First of all, this was the second round. The first round was wet.
The first round, no, the first round he was.
First round, I didn't hear shit.
The first round he didn't hear nothing because we was doing doggy style most of the time, and he was biting a pillow, and he kept running, so like I pushed him in there. But the second time,
They left the door open.
no, the door was
Yo, it
open.
sound like, bitch.
The door was closed both times.
It sounded like the whole house didn't have no fucking walls. Y'all was so goddamn loud.
The second time, I was more aroused because I was like, he kept teasing me and getting in my lap and shit. I'm like, you need to stop doing it. And then he did it again, so I picked him up and we went to his room.
You picked him up.
Yeah, I
both like
picked him
3
up
feet.
and we went to his room and he was like, babe, no, that hurt it. Cause he tapped out the first round, so I'm like, nah.
It's because he was bleeding.
Cause they're all shit talking, so now we gotta back it up. So we did, and the second time we did missionary and doggy style, and like the position where you put one leg up, and
It hurts like hell.
Now we finna holler out and insert the footage.
and I'm not putting that footage on.
Okay, Pornhub.
I sent it to Monique. She didn't watch it. I sent it to her.
Now you didn't watch it.
She didn't watch it. I'm not gonna watch it.
That shit was iconic, ho.
Oh my god.
You
But
stopped
then he kept bleeding. He was bleeding for like a day.
back a whole like 26 hours.
What's funny?
He was bleeding for 26 hours.
Your face expression, not just y'all.
That's how y'all act like.
Why was he bleeding, hun?
Girl, cause he was busting hoes walls the fuck open. He was giving Trump in the Mexican wall, ho.
Like from a boy's view, when people keep running, it make you want to do it harder. And he kept running, I was agitated. Stop running. Like,
Even if it was
Everybody ain't gonna be able to just do this.
These wings are done for.
Let's talk about the third time.
I'm saving it, hun. Monique, stop saying hun. Hate me on Instagram, man.
no, I just
No,
can't.
pause. No, this bitch didn't do no promo in the middle of
What's this?
Add me on Instagram.
Hate me on Instagram, man. Nikki09, NIQUEI09. Baby, you're still in the stories. And me on Snapchat at Lady Neat, LADDY. No, LADYY. Okay, well, whose turn is it? Dot NIQUE. Monique,
It's your, while you doing promo, talk about this sex though.
I don't have sex.
Baby,
Tell me your virginity story.
that was making macaroni and cheese at my head.
What are you drinking?
Hold on, now I'm not gonna tell y'all that part. My cousin and her boyfriend was having sex while I was in the bed with them, and I heard it, and it was very disturbing.
Period.
Like, that shit was disgusting. Man, he was already ugly.
Don't get me started. I'm sorry, but he looked kind of like a bull.
And I think he's abusive.
You know he went. I turned away.
Just if the police watch, I'm just putting it in there for free.
All right. Don't slide about the camera. I didn't know what happened.
I haven't done anything. Girl,
Your
don't sit up
baby-
here and lie like that, first of all. Multiple times. What do you mean multiple? Multiple times. Boy. I lost my virginity.
Hold on.
They asked my
All they gonna hear
birthday.
is his bag.
Disclaimer, I was very mad because she was supposed to lose her virginity to me.
All right. Anyways, I'm gonna edit that out.
I lost my virginity, what, a day after my birthday? Girl, it was no day. And then I only done it like 3 times since, so yeah, that's my
And with the
story.
same person, just to throw it in there because y'all don't like to get motherfucking loud.
You become normal like me every day.
I need to stop. No.
Just to let that be known.
I like anybody else, but I'm just.
Okay.
Hold on,
And trying to come for me, he will shoot y'all, so stop playing with me.
This bitch won't shoot nobody, girl. The best thing he can do is
Excuse me, honey?
that bitch a taser, bitch. That's all he know how to do.
Oh, okay.
Your boyfriend. Your boyfriend?
Yes.
He'll shoot somebody.
Yes.
He's crip.
What?
Great.
That's the same thing.
No, it's
Yes, it is. I mean, I have to tell y'all
Crip and
this.
grape is not the same
Yes,
thing.
it is.
They have different names.
Just like blood and vice are the same
He
thing.
never gave time on camera. He never gave the time to shoot
Why
at
you
me,
think Cameron
bitch.
always change his B's to a C? Because Crip and grape are the same thing.
No, they're not. I don't believe
No,
me. Why do they have different colors?
Maybe blue and purple are kind of the same.
You said this was the same.
His B's, he'll never use the letter B, he used C.
It sounds retarded. Anyway, let me tell y'all when the first
He
time
showed
I
them
had
like whenever
sex.
I read it.
So it's this boy named Crip. So it was 9th grade year. It was right after I had get the.
Damn, ho.
Where?
You pop pussy in the 9th grade.
Nah, bitch, I been popping dick in my mouth since 2nd grade. But only popping
7th
pussy in 9th
grade?
grade. Yes,
Give me the
girl.
girls.
You acting like
Girl, I was at.
The name.
Who's this? Y'all can't be popping shit about people that follow y'all, cause y'all gotta promote these videos.
Maybe I'm okay.
Maybe.
So in 9th grade, it was.
I wish they would come up to me and say some shit.
No, I really taste bitch. So in 9th grade, it was right after I fucked this girl. I fucked this boy.
Oh no.
Okay, it was like, how many weeks was it? I think it was like 2 weeks after I lost my virginity to a girl, I lost my virginity to a boy. So we was,
How did he feel? First of all, how did they feel? Did that let you know that she was like girl?
girl, first of all, to be honest, I didn't know that pussy was moist and stuff, so I really thought that bitch had like some piss left over her pussy. But I'll tell this story later on YouTube. It wasn't given though. It was like, I literally had to,
Okay, but did they let you know that you didn't like coochie?
I knew that before I fucked the bitch.
You just want to see how it was.
I want to see what it was given.
Oh.
Oh, okay, so we was at his mama's house or whatever, and his sister was outside on outside playing in the backyard. So we locked the door.
Not ASMR poo.
So we locked the door.
Girl,
So
you
we
can't
locked the
be
door.
inside giving commentary.
They don't want to see
Not
my
studio
drawers.
audience. But we locked the door, we went upstairs and we started fucking or whatever. And it was so horrible. It was good, but like I was crying. Cause I didn't cause first of all he started ramming the bitch in. And like bitch, he never gave pussy. It just don't slide in like that. So he was fucking or
Oh
whatever.
my god. That's horrible.
He just was slamming it. It never
No,
gave
he tried to, but you know how like it's like you know the little section up here, but they think it's the hole. He
Why
tried
do
to
y'all
slide-
have so much
He
experience on
tried to,
it?
he tried to slide it right there, and I'm like, boy, that's my crap. What are you? What are you doing?
Y'all stick to it.
I had to push it down.
the first when he was fucking me whatever, it wouldn't go inside the hole.
Are you repeating your story?
I didn't have sex.
Indeed, give your story.
Somebody said fingers don't count.
Any sexual activity counts.
You are.
You're kind of slow.
You
Wait.
use a dildo, did you?
Oh.
That's stressfully. I'm sorry. Did you use it?
We fucking right. He fucking.
That's losing the dildo.
Can you break her thing?
Hell yeah.
Girl, I would say
Did you
virginity
use
is when it's
one?
actually a human.
We didn't do that.
We are not gonna bust anything out while I'm telling my story.
I was just
Right, he ain't even done. Like,
So when he was fucking, he said I'm finna nut, so I let him pull out none of my
What
stuff.
happened to my
that was it?
Tell me about this condom popping.
The first time I had a large condom, it popped because it was too tight. Then I got an extra large condom. That bitch popped because it was too tight. It was too tight. Maybe it popped twice.
Baby.
So I was raw dog. So I wasn't gonna stop.
That's dangerous. You can't do it.
It was too. But anyway.
You come out.
Alright, next topic. Let's talk about.
Do you want to be his
Let's talk
manager or something? Girl, you look like one of the folks that be entering. So they come like that.
Did y'all watch? Oh, I got a topic. Did y'all watch the Clark sisters?
Yes.
Nobody knows what that is.
I didn't
Next
watch
topic.
Y'all fucking
Let's talk about
Let's talk about what
fake friendships.
Oh, let's talk about for fake friends.
girl,
Real
good shopping.
shit. Okay, y'all. This motherfucker, we talk about shit, not a single thing, but it's okay. My friend Mercedes, we out. Wait, make sure y'all introduce yourself and tell them where y'all can follow y'all, because I ain't inserting shit. So tell them. I forget. Tell them where y'all want to
Add me on Snapchat at your face pin YAFAVIPIMP. I might add you back. I don't know. I'm gonna get about this floating that shit.
Go on, say peace.
Oh, you can add me on Instagram at Tay the Official. My Snapchat is Tay_26.
And I already gave y'all my information.
All right. I'm sorry that this damn mukbang was hard.
Girl, come on.
Girl, what is funny?
See?
I'm sorry that this mukbang was so short. Y'all, it's just because we couldn't talk about what we talked about because somebody was in the room.
Don't post this video because it's very all over the place.
Get